Hi everyone, it's Jessica Vallis, and today I wanted to go over pictures that are oversaturated in a particular color. So I'm working with this client and we're using some stock photography. Yes, I know it's stock, but the one thing is that I really like this picture, but it's oversaturated in red. Um, you can just tell by the cheeks, it looks like there's a bit of a sepia on there. So when I'm in Photoshop, I'm going to come in and make an adjustment to this photo. So if you have Photoshop, you can go into the levels under image, and I'm going to click the red, and I'm going to make it look like a normal picture. Look at that before and after. Now that I've done the before and after, you can really tell the difference. So if you ever find a photograph that you love, but you notice something slightly off and it's not matching the feel of the other photos on your site, shoot it over to a graphic designer and we can help.